Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And we opened higher but not as high as SGX Nifty indicated. I would say it is not an euphoric rally today. In fact, some sectors were down. Auto sector was down, metal was almost flat, FMCG was down. And today's price action, I can say, Bank Nifty has hugely outperformed. So, say for example, if you look at the Nifty, it was up only 125 points. But if you look at the Bank Nifty, it was about 600 points. So, almost 5 times. Whereas normally Bank Nifty is about 2 to 2.5 times only it should be there. But today it is 5 times. And in fact, today the entire rally came from few stocks only. One, banking, particularly PSU banks, and second one, IT stocks, Infosys and TCS. And today morning I just mentioned already, today because Nasdaq has done extremely well, so today this is bound to do very well, IT stocks. So TCS, I bought TCS around 3,400. It went to 3,100. Now only it has come above 3,400. So Bank Nifty with today's price, the target which I mentioned few days before, 38,800. So that target has been achieved. I would say today's expiry was a very stable expiry. Unlike last few weeks, I remember last week, Nifty moved 100 point gap up, then fell more than 300 point intraday, then again recovered 200 point to close almost flat. But today, from high to low, I think it is not even 100 point. It was a very stable expiry. But going by the past experience, people were expecting, and today I had some surplus cash, so I thought where to park it. So I sold 17,500 put option at around 8 rupees and 17,400 put option for 4 rupees. And for the next 3 hours, no matter where market goes, this premium, it did not come down at all. I was just sitting like a ginger monkey. In Tamil, the word ginger monkey is a very famous word. If a monkey eats some ginger, then how its face will look like. So like that I was sitting for whole 3.5 hours and nothing has happened. Only after 12:40, 12:45 the prices started moving down. Until then people were expecting some intraday fall, and that's why the premiums were not at all coming down. So VIX, I told you in the morning I am expecting VIX to fall at least 6 to 8%, but the VIX did not fall much. It was only 3.5% only for the first half of the session, and then once the market understood there is not going to be any intraday sell-off like last week, and then slowly VIX started falling more and more. At the end of the day it was down more than 6%. So after a long time, option writers were very happy. I am talking about intraday. Of course, positional option sellers would have been in trouble today because of huge gap up. They would have lost something. So ICICI Bank, extraordinary performance. That's very close to all-time high. And Adani, as usual, making high. But today it was not on fire actually. Today the subdued performance. And today morning I just mentioned about L&T, ICICI Bank and Hindalco, but Hindalco after the result it has not done well, and of course L&T and ICICI Bank has done very well. So I thought, okay, should I suggest some stock? Actually there is no need to suggest any stock. You go and buy any stock, the prices are going to go higher because the markets are in a good full bull grip, I can say. But anyway, for tomorrow, I'll just suggest 2 stocks. One is MGL, Mahanagar Gas Limited, and the second one is a Glenmark Pharma. So these 2 stocks have added huge open interest today, and so so we can expect some kind of strengthening prices in these two stocks tomorrow. So other than that, you can just go and buy anything, so I told you a few weeks before, I'm looking at Bank of Baroda. So I sold 115 put option. Then after that, the result came, the price action was not really very good. So then again I sold 110 put option. And today all the PSU banks, today is the best performer is the PSU banks. PSU bank index, I think it has shot up more than 3%. So all my option which I sold for 2 rupees, now it has come to 50 paise, something like that. So overall, if I can say about today's market, okay, yes, there was some euphoric things in US, but we were not euphoric. Number one, we have already hugely outperformed in the last 1 month. I think the last 1 month, the best performing market is our market. So anyway, so going forward, I expect some kind of a consolidation, and maybe the consolidation may be between 17,500 and 18,000, but in just June low, 15,200, now it is 17,700. So it's a 2,500 point rally in just 2 months time. So it's a fantastic rally, and I think markets need to consolidate. I think from now there is no more important news also. So until we wait for next month jobs data or next month inflation data in US. So until the end of this month, so there is no more very important news flow also, and result season is also will be coming to an end by this week. So there will be no results, no economic data, no greed, no fear. So I think it is time for the markets to consolidate for some time. So I think the run up is too fast. I think, in my opinion, the consolidation should take at least 1 or 2 months. So anyway, I have to wish like that, because I have a lot of December options. This 2,500 points shot up in just in 1-2 months. I am in trouble in my December options also. So anyway, after a long time, today I have seen more than 50 lakh MTM profit in my account, and that's because I have taken aggressively bullish position. And I think in Twitter also I just showed what position I had in Adani Enterprise. So Adani Enterprise, every day I'm making 3 to 4 lakh rupees profit. So I was just joking in Twitter, so this Gautam Adani is not going to sleep until I buy my private jet. Yeah, so all is well. So it's for party time for bulls to celebrate. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.